good old trucking right here. Woo! Don't hit my car! Dude, it's been a minute since I've been on this YZ, boys and girls. Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Liz, aka MotoBroo. And as you can tell, we're on the beautiful YZ 125. Woo! But yeah, we're just gonna go around, explore, maybe hit some top speeds, and vibe out. What's good, bro?
Yo, can you go up that one and tell me if it's flat on the top?
Yeah. Let's go! Yes, sir! So,
I've been coming out here for like 8 years now, but it's been a long time since I came out here.
Yeah, I was just out here shredding. I was bored.
Yeah, I came out here earlier, it got shitty and now I'm back.
Yeah, I feel. Shit, I'm gonna follow you. I'm gonna see what I'm recording for YouTube, so. Homie, calling homie with the truck, going crazy. Let's go, rear-wheel drive. Let's go. Bro. Some good old trucking right here. Woo! You got a bounce through here, bro. You know, vibing out here with the trucks. Let's go. Yes, sir. Hit the drift. That's what we talking about. Don't hit my car. You got your football, bro. This is the Florida stuff right here, bro. Off-roading with the boys. He's gonna get stuck. No way. There's no way you're making it. No way. Bro, when you came in here, I was like, there's no way he's getting through here.
Yeah, I haven't been here in a long time.
Yeah, it's Sandy's Falls.
Oh my god. I made it far.
You made it far, bro.
Get through the dirt.
What is this, straight bald?
Is he fine?
There's wire on the inside. It's a spare tire.
Oh, damn. Well, if y'all need me, oh, my car's right there. I'm just gonna be loading up and shit if you want to end up pushing it. Hey, y'all take care. Let's go. out here. Have y'all seen any lately or no?
No, not out this way, no.
No?
Not today.
Alright.
I've been out here for like the past hour and a half or so. I haven't.
Oh. Alright, well, hey, y'all have a good day. Whoa! Little rodeo right there. Getting sketchy on that. Need to get back into the tune game. Alright, I'm gonna hit a no-hander. Woo! A little sketchy, but we'll take it. Well, boys, I just seen something weird over here. I think it's another shooting target. You always see weird things over here, bro, I swear. Look, it's a cabinet wrapped in duct tape camo with people shooting through it. Might as well check the drawers, right? Might be some hidden gold in here. Bro, this trail is wild. What the? It's like a trail that used to be used, but no one uses it no more. Now we're back on the open road. Bro, I yanked this thing back. Y'all seen that? Hand drag. No hand drag, but we're gonna get there. Whoa! Whoa! Yo! It's like a full-on little rhythm section right here. Oh, what the hell? Bro, look at this. It's like a whole little mud pit over here and like a shooting thing. Oh, they're shooting freaking pumpkins. Some old pumpkin. Just looks funny how they're standing like that. Shit, we're on a little trail over here. Let's hit this trail, see where we pop out at. Woo! Bro, I forgot how fun a big bike is too, bro. Like, what I was saying was, the 50 is so fun, but it's dope to have a big bike, because when you hop to the big bike, you're like, oh my god, this isn't even like, this is super dope. And then when you get off your big bike and you're back on your little 50, you're like, oh, this thing is so fun because it's so small. Like, this is the best of both worlds. Man, it feels good just to be out shredding on the YZ, bro. Woo! And we juked that pothole right there. Let's go. Let's go. Oh boy, I need to get back on the track. I'm on a dirt bike track, bro. That's so fun.